Class 219 Pulse Timer. Okay, this timer gives a fixed delay output. Okay, the output is activated when input is activated. Means output means done bit. Q means done bit. Output follows the input. Okay, then remains high for the set value pt. How much you set the preset time, to that value this will be on. During the counting, okay, in case if the input changes its state, it does not affect the output. Whether input becomes off before the delay or remains high for any time, it has nothing to do with the delay. On delay and off delay timers, okay, their operation is affected by these things. Input, suppose say the input changes within the delay, that will be ignored, but here it is not so. Sorry, that will not be ignored there, here it will be ignored. Within the delay, whatever happens, it will not sense. So this is what, very simple to understand. As soon as input switches on, output also will switch on. Accumulator will count from 0 to preset value and will become off. So here the output will be on, Q will be on for the delay, means during counting operation. Output will be on during the counting operation. On delay timer, there the output will be on after the counting operation. In off delay timer, output will be on from the beginning till input is deactivated, means input switches off, and till counting becomes on. Counting will be done, will be happening. Okay, so you can write that figure or even this one also, anything. See, for retentive timer in the of the last class, I had not given the timer block separately. In case if it is required, you can just write this and mention points like this. See, description, timer file name, base, preset, accumulator, like that you can write. In case if time permits, I will give that also, functional description of retentive timer. Okay, for pulse timer, I have not written the program. Most probably that is lesser important. In your syllabus it is not mentioned which all timers you should study. And for your kind information, just from on delay timer, all other timers can be constructed by obtaining, by programming certain logic, proper logic. Hence, some cheap PLCs have only on delay timer. For the programmer, it will take some time, extra time and extra memory to write the program. Okay. See, in pulse timer also some manufacturers have different types. It is not exactly that the output will remain like this only, irrespective of whether the input changes during the delay. In some manufacturers, okay, there the pulse timer will act differently, means they will give two options, whether you want this operation or this operation. They have two categories, pulse timer and extended pulse timer. Anyhow, you study like this, but when you are going to operate in site, you have to study operation manual. Okay, when you say generally two wheeler, you will say it will have indicators, two at front, two at back, one headlight, one backlight, etc. etc. Some may have some extra light. Some vehicles may have two horns. So there can be some difference. Anyhow, these are for your general information.